Welcome to Puzzle Spark once again. Thank you, Know Your Sports. Let's put your knowledge to the test. I'll show you a piece of sports equipment, and you have 5 seconds to guess the sport. Comment your score at the end and challenge your friends. Ready? Let's go! Before starting, please subscribe our channel for more fun quizzes. Let's start! This sport uses a bat and a ball. What is it? Cricket. Cricket has over 2.5 billion fans worldwide. A curved stick and a puck on ice. Name the sport. Ice hockey. The Stanley Cup, awarded in ice hockey, has its own bodyguards, a racket, a shuttlecock, and a net. What is it? Badminton. Do you know the shuttlecock can fly over 200 miles per hour? Fun segment. What's your favorite sport? Tell in the comments. A ball, a hoop, and lots of jumping. Guess the sport. Basketball, invented in 1891 with peach baskets as hoops. A long stick and a small white ball on a course. What sport? Golf. Do you know early golf balls were stuffed with feathers? A round ball, a field, and goalposts. What sport? Football, the world's most popular sport. A heavy ball rolled at 10 pins. What sport is this? Bowling. Bowling dates back to ancient Egypt. Hit the like button if you got at least 3 right so far. Next question for you. A ring, gloves, and punches. Guess the sport. The answer is boxing. A racket and a yellow fuzzy ball. What sport? Tennis. Do you know the longest tennis match lasted 11 hours? A cue stick and balls on a green table. What is it? Billiards. This game dates back to the 15th century. Which sport do you think is the hardest? Comment below. Next question for you. A small, hard ball and a wooden bat. What sport? This sport is known as baseball. A bow, arrows, and a target. What sport? Archery. It is used for hunting and warfare for centuries. A leather ball and H-shaped goalposts. What sport is this? Rugby. Do you know rugby balls were originally pig bladders? A long mallet, a small ball, and grass hoops. What is it? Croquet. A very popular sport in England in the 1800s. Fun segment. Tag a friend who would get 0/30ths on this quiz. A pool, a ball, and goals. What's the sport? Water polo. In this game, players tread water the entire game. A small paddle and a lightweight ball on a table. What sport it is? Table tennis. Do you know the fastest ping pong smash can hit 70 miles per hour? A sword and a white uniform. Guess the sport. Fencing. This sport is included in every Olympics since 1896. Stop. Comment your score so far. Next question. A curved stick and a small ball on a field. What is it? It is hockey, one of the world's oldest team sports. A white uniform grapples and throws. What sport it is? This game is judo. A smooth table, a puck, and fast reflexes. What sport? Air hockey. This sport is invented in the 1970s. A long pole and a high bar. What's the sport? This game is pole vault. Do you know the highest recorded vault is over 6 meters? A horse, a mallet, and a small ball. Guess the sport. This sport is polo, one of the oldest team sports. Opinion time. According to you, which sport is the dangerous one? Comment below. A ring to wrestlers and no gloves. What is it? It is wrestling, part of the first ever Olympic Games. A balance beam, flips, and acrobatics. What sport? This sport is known as gymnastics. A bicycle, a helmet, and a road. Guess the sport. That was easy one. Cycling. A stone, a broom, and ice. What sport is this? Curling. In this sport, stones are made of rare Scottish granite. Long skis, ramps, and high jumps. What sport it is? Ski jumping. Do you know longest ski jump was 253.5 meters? Climbing without ropes on high walls. What sport? This sport is known as free climbing. And the last one. A sled, an icy track, and high speeds. What sport? Bobsleigh. Fun fact is bobsleighs can reach 150 kilometers per hour. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.